we are at the convention center in Rockville. Uncle, are you excited? So I'm outside with my uncle tonight and I'm about to show y'all what we get into. It's about to be real bougie and classy tonight. Okay. So we got my uncle in the back. Uncle Jamal's in the house. Say hi, Uncle. Hey everybody, we are back with another episode of LVL, Let Viv Live, the YouTube channel that promotes living your life to the absolute fullest. Take your step. Okay, good job. The We Achieve event in North Bethesda, Maryland didn't only just have 3-course dinners for all of the guests, but also live performance by DMV Alchemy, a jazz group in the DMV area. There was also a DJ, and my uncle went out on the dance floor and danced with his new dance partner. We had a really great time. There was also a photo booth. We got beautiful pictures. It was just really, really nice, well organized, well decorated, and I had a really, really great time. Did you have fun, Uncle? Okay, good. Guys, I'm not even gonna hold you. I should not be getting a fit every time I go out, but sometimes it just gives that. All right, so finally home. I ended up getting something from Zara. I got a skirt and a shirt. The brown dress y'all saw was cute, but it just gave wedding, and tonight is not giving that. Tonight is giving fun, sexy, out and about. You feel me? So we start off with the quote of the day. The mind is what the mind is fed, period. Couldn't have said it any better. So I went to Bath & Body Works because they had that candle sale. And then I also picked up my items from Zara. And then I got my lunch. I have not eaten anything at all today, and it's 2:19 p.m. I gotta get my food in because first of all, I can't go out unless I eat something first. So, yep.
Mixed reviews. So at first I was like,
Check out the fit, y'all. She ate them up. Ate them up. No.
Oh shit, I wasn't expecting to see that.
Ugh. What? Back. I'm hip. I was like, damn, this nigga ain't pulled right.
When you say he sincerely thanks you for the vibe.
He said, every loser is a winner that tried again. Literally.
And they kept trying.
Exactly.
And sometimes you gotta fail.
No, you have to lose. You have to lose in order to win.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
at the end of the day, nigga, like, if you don't want to fucking go through them trials and tribulations, nigga, you're not gonna fucking win at all.
And you're not built to be a winner.
No, hell no.
That's very true.
Because how the fuck are you gonna go through anything and then not get through it? You have to go through something to get through it. It don't fucking make sense. Cause, yeah, that's just what it is, but literally.
They've been asking for you to be on the vlog, so we might have to put this clip in.
Yeah.
Minus the vape. I want all my family members to stop vaping.
Shit, I don't even want to hear this shit. This shit bad for you, you hear me?
We are not advocating for vaping.
No, hell no, we ain't advocating for vaping. Fuck vaping. Shit bad for you, bro.
Yourself in the
Crack
year.
is whack.
Of course. But what do you want for yourself in the year 2026?
Oh, just more money. I got everything else. My family's lit. I got a beautiful wife and kids, and I could cook. I look good. I'm lit. I just need more money. That's the only thing I'm missing is more money. Everything else is lit. I just need more money, and I don't need more money. Only more money just because, like, I just want to, like, spoil my family with, like, trips and shit. I don't give a fuck about gifts because I get them gifts all year round, but I just want to be able to, like, let them see shit, different shit. Not like, you know, people be like, oh, I want them to see what I didn't see. I ain't see shit.
Right.
So what the fuck? Anything they see, I ain't see.
You want to give your children experiences instead of just things, because you want them to have experiences and trips, because that's the most important part.
Yeah, because they're gonna have money regardless, and if they're my kids, it's gonna be in their DNA to get money. So
Everything
I'm not worried about
and
that
beyond.
part. Just like do some other shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Because it don't matter what you do or have, you're dead.
Nah, for sure.
Either
At one
way.
point, you're dead.
You gotta live your life.
You're dead at one point. So just
Gotta
do
live
some
your life.
shit that is like, oh shit, like, you know what I mean? I seen some shit, I did some shit, and it's like,
Nah, what? Nah, real rap. Real rap.
I've been to Italy,
I ain't gonna lie.
You know what I'm saying?
Real rap.
Fuck it.
Nah, this
As long as my bills is paid, I got a
like,
bottle of tequila.
nah, what?
Life could be worse. Cheers to that.
Nah, yeah. Niggas got car
You better
keys and
ring
tequila.
that jingle, the car key.
Niggas got car keys,
As long
home
as you-
keys on the car keys.
As long as you hear that, it's all
and
good.
tequila. You hear me? That's all you need.
Cheers to
And your
2026.
kids, and your family, not your kids, your family. Well, you need your
That's
kids, but
very
your
true.
family, if you have no
Yes.
kids.
Yes.
And you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it.
I just young blood you.
Damn, champ.
Young blood.
Blood, 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 blood. Damn, he called you a little nigga.
Rashid, talk back.
Nigga said he'll give you a nuggie.
Say, man, how you been though, she? I've been running all over the place all week.
It's Tuesday.
My man about to get a job, you heard?
Rashid is only Tuesday, took most of all week.
Probably been 1 day or 2 days into the week.
So I've been having to take care of her a lot, you know? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Baby, let's fly, baby.
Birthday queen.
It is a little bit. Here, chill for the video.
You only turned 14 once.
I mean, what the fuck? Can I live? Can I live?
That's the
Can I
movement.
fucking live?